Everything is easy, baby. Leave it. Hey, it's ready. This is Zequan and Malchi.
Malchi.
I wrote. He's freestyling.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah. Rock, planet rock.
Yeah. I'm the fireman. You see the flame. I'm a B-boy. Zequan's the name. My attire is never the same. Call me Saw. I wanna play a game. Yeah. Call me Bruce Lee with the lights on. You can't see me. I'm dangerous, like a shark. Oh, you tough? You scared of the dark, punk. That's why your career sunk. Make a ball of you, then I dunk like D-Wade. I'm getting paid. You see the house? Yeah, I got it made.
Okay.
Yeah.
Here we go. Fireman, a fire flame spitter, tryna beat me, watch it glitter. You talk about that, go back to Twitter. I'm playing the fiddle. I'm going in, about to go crazy like a fireman. I hose you down, you fucking hoe. Daisy, I'm playing you, and you too. I'm going in, say it again, say it twice. I'm playing. Okay, let's go. Monopoly, this is a catastrophe. I'm gonna go in, this is like a symphony, epiphany. Soliloquy, I'm going in, ha ha ha, unstoppable, hit to me, unforgettable, bettable, I will put the bettable, hold the Nike shirt up and I said he is forgettable, look how black he is, look how black he is. Punch you in the face, now watch the blood rush, it rush into your eyes, call it a Mason race. I'm going in, like the French lace, I tie it in a knot, and break the brakes. Then I stop the brakes, going 50 miles per hour, you know what it takes. The best the speed limit, underage, drinking, DUI, DWI, whatever it means, I don't really know. Methamphetamines, I don't really know. Then I gotta go, like a garden gnome, looking at you like this, yo. Oh my god.